I recently bought a new computer that has Windows 11 on it, and when trying to run Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2017, I had this problem right here. The program would start to open, and then right when it started processing my audio plugins, it would just crash. And according to Windows Event Viewer, the problem lies with PlugPlug.dll. Upon further research, it looks like this is a common problem with running Adobe Products on Windows 11. So here's how I fixed it. Go to Program Files, Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2017, and find a folder called CEP. Rename that folder and then attempt reopening the program. Problem solved in my case. If this doesn't fix it for you, you can also try searching your entire hard drive for any folders that contain VST audio plugins. You can then rename or delete those folders. Try relaunching the program again and see if that helps you. If these solutions don't work for you, then you might need to install the old school Microsoft Visual C++ runtimes that correspond to whatever Adobe product that you're trying to use. If you're missing those runtimes, you might need to just search around a little bit to figure out which one you need and then find the official installer from Microsoft. And that's it. That's how you fix the Windows 11 PlugPlug.dll problem with Adobe Premiere. Hope that helps you out. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.